Mastering the art of compliments in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that can be both powerful and heartwarming. Dish out compliments. Understanding how and when to use this expression can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in positive interactions. Let's get started and explore what it means to dish out compliments and how you can do it effectively. To dish out something means to distribute or give out something liberally. When we say someone is dishing out compliments, we mean they are generously giving praise or positive remarks to others. This phrase conjures the image of serving food, dishing out, to many people, but instead of food, it's compliments being served. Dishing out compliments is more than just saying nice things. It's about acknowledging others' efforts, qualities, or achievements in a way that makes them feel appreciated and valued. This practice can foster positive relationships, boost someone's self-esteem, and create a supportive environment, whether at work, with friends, or in family settings. 1. Be specific. General compliments are nice, but specific praise is more impactful. For example, instead of saying, "You're good at this," say, "Your ability to solve complex problems creatively is impressive." 2. Be sincere. Only give compliments you truly mean. People can often tell when praise is not genuine, which can have the opposite effect. 3. Recognize the effort, not just the outcome. Sometimes, it's not just about the success but the journey to get there. Acknowledge the hard work and dedication, even if the final outcome wasn't perfect. 4. Vary your compliments. Try to notice and commend different qualities and achievements, so your compliments feel fresh and meaningful each time. Dishing out compliments is a wonderful way to connect with others and spread positivity. By understanding what it means to dish out compliments, and applying our tips on giving genuine, heartfelt praise, you can enhance your English interactions and brighten someone's day. Remember, a simple compliment can go a long way in making someone feel valued and seen. We hope this video helps you become more adept at using this expression and in making your conversations more enriching and positive. Thank you for watching, and keep sharing those compliments.